I'm very curious when you expect AIs that can like actually do frontier math better than at least as good well as the best human mathematicians.
I mean, in some ways, they're already doing frontier math that is super intelligent that humans can't do, but it's a different frontier from what we're used to.
Right.
I mean, you could argue that calculators were doing frontier math
Right.
that humans could not accomplish, but it wasn't number crunching and
Right.
but
replacing Terry Tao completely.
I mean, what do you want me for?
You'll just go on all the podcasts after.
I'm not sure it might not be the right question to ask. I think within a decade, a lot of things that mathematicians currently do, we spend a lot of the bulk of our time doing it, and a lot of stuff we put in our papers today can be done by AI. But we will find that actually wasn't the most important part of what we do. 100 years ago, a lot of mathematicians were just solving differential equations. People needed, physicists needed some exact solution to some system, and they hired a mathematician to laboriously go through the calculus and work out the solution to this fluid equation, whatever. A lot of what a 19th century mathematician would do, you could make a call to Mathematica or Wolfram Alpha or a computer algebra package, or now more recently an AI, and it would just solve the problem, in a few minutes. But we moved on. We worked on different types of problems after that. Once computers came along, computers used to be human. Right? People used to laboriously create log tables and work out primes as Gauss did, and that has all been outsourced to computers. But we moved on. In genetics, to sequence the genome of a single organism, that was an entire PhD of a geneticist. So carefully, separating all the chromosomes and whatever. And now you can just spend $1,000 and send it to a sequencer and get it done. But genetics is not dead as a subject. You move to a different scale. Maybe you study whole ecosystems rather than individuals.
I take your point, but on the question of, well, when is most mathematical progress, or almost all mathematical progress, happening by AI? So that if you find out, this year a Millennium Prize problem has been solved, you would put, a 95% odds that an AI did it autonomously. Surely there will be such a year.
I guess. I mean, I do believe that hybrid human plus AIs will dominate mathematics for a lot longer. It will depend. It will require some additional breakthroughs beyond what we already have. So it's going to be stochastic. I think AIs currently are very good at certain things, but really terrible at others. And while you can sort of add more and more frameworks on top to kind of reduce the error rates and make them work with each other a bit more and so forth, it feels like we don't have all the ingredients to like really have a truly satisfactory sort of replacement for all intellectual tasks. It is complementary currently. It's not it is not a replacement. But maybe because current level AIs will accelerate science in so many ways. Hopefully, new discoveries, new breakthroughs will happen more quickly. I mean, it's possible that also by somehow destroying serendipity, we actually inhibit certain types of progress. Anything is possible, really, at this point. I think the world is very, very unpredictable.
Yeah. If you enjoyed this clip, you can watch the full episode here and subscribe for more clips.